Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I am going to be pressure canning some yellow squash and some zucchini. But first and foremost, what you want to do first, before you jar them up and you pressure can them, you want to blanch any kind of squash, even pumpkin, winter squash, summer squash. Hang on. What are they doing over there? No. Not today, Ridley and Penelope. Please excuse my puppies. You want to blanch any kind of squash, like pumpkin, summer squash, winter squash, okay, whatever it is, for about 2 minutes. So this water has been boiling for just a few minutes, so I'm going to start putting that in. And then you want to save the water and possibly boil up some more, because it might not be enough for when you start to put these in the cans, okay? Because this is what you're going to be filling up your cans with, along with your veggies. You're going to want that water. And like I said, blanch for about 2 minutes. Okay, now that the zucchini has blanched for about 2 minutes, put them in this container. Now, let me get a smaller spoon and start putting these into the jars. I'm out of the regular jars now. I'm using my last 3, the regular mouth jars. So I'm moving on now to my wide mouth jars, but that's fine, because I was keeping those for meats in particular. But hot. Get down in there. Oh, hot. Oh my Lord. Wow. All right, now I'm going to take just a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to add water. I'm going to get my little spatula here and get in there and try and get all the air bubbles out. Yeah, this one needs water already. That one does not, but this one does. All right. Get the yellow squash over here now. Oh, where's the other pot holder? Oh, there it is. Okay, now let's dish these out. Smaller spoon. Ah, hot. Lids are done boiling. Oh, fuck. Now let's start using the water. Oh, I gotta do salt. Take your spatula. Yep, water's going down. Got to get more water in there. Yep. Thanks. No. Okay, now to put the lids on. canning these in the pressure canner takes 55 minutes. Oh my gosh. Why is that not working? And I had an oops. There. Okay, now I'm going to take my tool here to tighten the lids to make sure they are absolutely on there. Ooh. Alright, now I'm going to put them in the pressure canner. Okay, now let's tighten the lid. And now we wait. Now, remember, steam has to come out of here for 10 minutes straight. And then we put this on. And this will start to bobble up and down and then stick straight up. Now, with my altitude, I will be pressure canning at 10 pounds. And you want to set your timer for any kind of squash, zucchini, yellow squash, for 55 minutes. So when you get to the 10-pound mark, in my case, when I get to the 10-pound mark, I will lower my temperature to low medium and start my timer for 55 minutes. And then when that's all done and over with, I will show you the finished product. Okay, now that these are ready, okay, they're finished, and the bubbling has stopped in the pressure canner. I'm going to lift this away from my face and my arms. And I'm going to take these out so you can see what they look like now. This is the zucchini. And here is the yellow squash. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I love to hear from everybody all the time. And that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Keep prepping and stay safe. Bye.